Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're showing you how to connect your Android phone to the Android Auto in your Kia vehicle. So we're in a 2023 Kia Sportage, and you can use the Android Auto to sync your apps from your phone, do things like Google Map, use your Spotify. There's all different things you can use. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and grab your USB cord. Some of the newer Kias come with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but most likely your car, you're still gonna require that you plug in your cord to connect and use the Android Auto. So make sure you have the Android phone and it's compatible with Android Auto. Most new phones have received the update and are compatible. And then all you have to do, like this is really simple here, guys, is plug your phone into the USB, use your cord, plug it in, and then just follow the prompts on the screen. So it's reading my USB. It's telling me, welcome to Android Auto on my phone. I'm gonna hit unlock to continue, and I'm gonna hit OK here. And then it should come up right on my phone. To use Android Auto, please stop the vehicle and follow the instructions on your phone. So we're just gonna follow those instructions here. So this is the first initial setup. You won't have to do this every time, but I'm just gonna go next, allow it to pair, and boom, here we are. Everything is paired. Now you can see I have my Google Maps here, and here's all the addresses. So you can do different things for Google Maps. I can go into my Spotify. There's the Joe Rogan podcast, and you can see all your apps here. Right at the home screen. There's all the different apps from my phone. So I can just put my phone down and I can use all the apps now. So very easy setup. So there you have it, guys. If you have trouble connecting to Android Auto, we have a full tutorial of how to troubleshoot and how to get connected, which I'm gonna link in the description below. But hopefully this showed you how to connect. And if you guys are having trouble, check out the video or comment in the comment section and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.